Which Azure service is primarily used for orchestrating containerized applications? Azure Functions. B. Azure Kubernetes Service AKS. C. Azure Logic Apps. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is B. Azure Kubernetes Service AKS. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is the primary service used for orchestrating containerized applications in Azure. It provides a managed Kubernetes environment, making it easier to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications. What is the primary benefit of using Azure Container Instances, ACI, for deploying containers? A. Full control over the underlying infrastructure. B. Automatic scaling of container instances. C. Simplified deployment without managing virtual machines. D. Built-in CI/CD capabilities. The correct answer is C. Simplified deployment without managing virtual machines. Azure Container Instances, ACI, allows for simplified deployment of containers without the need to manage the underlying virtual machines. This makes it a quick and easy way to run containers in Azure. Which command is used to create a new Kubernetes cluster in Azure using the Azure CLI? As UX create. B as Kubernetes create. C as cluster create. D as container create. The correct answer is A, create. The command AZAKS create is used to create a new Kubernetes cluster in Azure using the Azure CLI. This command sets up the necessary resources and configurations for the cluster. When planning a container deployment, which of the following is a key consideration for ensuring high availability? A. Using a single container instance. B. Deploying containers in a single region. C. Implementing container orchestration with AKS. D. Using low-cost virtual machines. The correct answer is C. Implementing container orchestration with AKS. Implementing container orchestration with Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is a key consideration for ensuring high availability. AKS manages the distribution and scaling of containers across multiple nodes, providing resilience and fault tolerance. Which Azure service can be used to build, test, and deploy containerized applications in a CI/CD pipeline? Azure DevOps. B. Azure Monitor. C. Azure Security Center. D. Azure Policy. The correct answer is A. Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps provides a comprehensive suite of tools for building, testing, and deploying containerized applications in a CI/CD pipeline. It integrates with various Azure services to streamline the development and deployment process. What is the purpose of using Helm in a Kubernetes environment? A. To monitor container health. B. To manage container networking. C. To package, configure, and deploy applications. D. To provide security for containers. The correct answer is C. To package, configure, and deploy applications. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes that is used to package, configure, and deploy applications. It simplifies the management of Kubernetes applications by providing a way to define, install, and upgrade complex Kubernetes applications.